I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass.
I could be a crush, like throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about.
Well, I'm lagging. Yep, I died. Oh my god, this is why I don't like shaking. Yeah, this guy is gonna die. Yeah, he died. Let me just prologue. I would actually like to play like hard maps and things like that because I'm actually really tired of playing like very easy maps. Like I just want more harder maps. Give a frick. Okay? So. Black desert, okay. So I think I'm not used to going over there. I'm not used to going over there. So yeah. If you want to know how people climb ladders so fast, you have to like press the jump button, but you have to press hold. And when you do that, you have to hold the button. Like I got this. Even if my YouTube channel is Gacha Plunger, it's going to actually be a gaming channel too. I'm not going to make another channel because I'm not interested here. So that's a lot of work. So I'm like doing online classes like really fun. But I guess we're okay. Well, at least we can make new friends. Who people are going? Please go. I don't have to work. Like, just look at me. I look stupid. that part. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Share. Well, you can comment if you can, guys. I don't know how to control. But anyways, bye.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.